All right, so welcome back. 7/8 of a brown rod minus 1/4 of a brown rod. There we go. We have a picture that's supposed to represent 1/8. 1/8. There's 3 1/8s. There are 4 groups of 1/8. 5 1/8 pieces, 6 1/8 pieces, and 7 1/8 pieces. All right, so there's our 7/8 right here. And 7/8. Of course, this is our 1 whole, just to show us, the 7/8 is not 8/8. 8/8 would be 1 whole. All right, and then over here, up here, is our one. Oh, that's not a great color to use. There we go. 1/4. And we can tell that this is 1/4 because it is 1/8 plus 1/8. I'm using terrible colors. 1/8 plus 1/8 and 1/8 plus 1/8 is 2/8, which is 1/4. All right, so they are taking away this 2/8, which is the same thing as taking away 1/4, and what they're left with is 5/8, which was what we got on the previous video with the algorithm. So there's another Cuisenaire example of fraction subtraction, which we're already doing on a very high level with our algorithm. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. We have 1 1/2 of a brown rod minus 3/4. Okay, this is where it's gonna get a little bit crazy. All right, not super crazy, but we're gonna have to use our whole times denominator plus numerator. Uh, why can't I not think of the word? Equation. It's an equation, but it has a formula. That's the word I'm looking for. Sorry, Mr. Johnson sometimes can't remember things either. All right, so we're making a formula. Our formula, we call it a formula because it's kind of like a secret kind of recipe. All right, so our recipe to turn a mixed number into a improper fraction is whole times denominator plus numerator equals our improper numerator. All right, so that's what we have to do. The reason why is if we're looking at 1/2 plus 3/4, 3/4 is larger than 1/2, so we cannot take away 3/4 from 1/2 without going negative. So the first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to turn 1 1/2 into an improper fraction. All right, the way that we're going to do that is we're going to multiply our whole 1 times our denominator. Oops. Let me just whole times denominator plus numerator. All right, so our whole is 1, our denominator is 2, and our numerator is 1. All right, so 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So what we have here, I'm going to rewrite the problem. Our problem is 3 halves minus 3/4. All right. Remember, the way that we got that is whole times denominator plus numerator. And with 1 1/2, that was our whole 1 times our denominator 2 plus our numerator 1. All right. That's what gave us the answer for 3. And we kept the same denominator that we originally have. So 3 halves. So, same thing. Are my denominators the same? No, they're not. Can I turn one of my denominators into the other using multiplication? Yes, I can. 2 turns into 4 by multiplying it times 2. So our new fraction is now going to be 2 times 3, which is 6. 2 times 2, 4. 6/4 minus 3/4. And that's going to give us 3/4. So we just found out how to find that answer with the algorithm using our new formula for finding the improper fraction from a mixed number. Whole times denominator plus numerator. So we'll come back and look at the picture in the next video.